Hi, Michelle Seitz here. You're watching Styles. Here's the scenario. You have a document that is unformatted and you need to add styles to certain text. Watch this video to learn how to do this. When you first open up a Word document, even if it's a blank document, you will have some styles associated to it. In this area on the Home tab is the Styles group, and in the Styles group is the Style Gallery. The gallery is populated with some default styles that you can modify or delete as needed. In the lower right of the Styles group is an arrow. When you click on the arrow, the Styles dialog box is displayed. The dialog box will display all the styles that are currently in your document. If you need a greater variety of styles, click the Options button. And in the Style Pane Options dialog box, click the down arrow in Select Styles to Show field and select All Styles and click OK. Now you have many more styles displayed in the Styles dialog box. When you start typing, there will be a style associated with this text. To find out what style is associated with this text, go to the Styles dialog box and slowly drag the vertical bar down until you see a style that is surrounded by a box. And you can see the style that I typed is a normal style. If I wanted to change this text to another style, I would highlight it, go over to the Styles dialog box, and slowly drag the bar until I see the style I want, and then I can click on it. I could also click on one of the styles in the Style Gallery. Now this text is body text. Another way to identify what style the text is currently displaying, go to the View tab, and in the Views group, select Draft. This is the Style Area pane. Currently, you can see this text has the body text style applied to it. If you don't have your Style Area pane displayed, go to File, Options, click on Advanced, and scroll down until you reach Style Area Pane Width and Draft and Outline Views, which is in the Display group. My display is set at 1.5 inches. You can highlight the number and change it to another number, and then click OK. Now that we're back in the document, click on the Home tab, and I want to show you more options for the Style Gallery. To modify a style in the Style Gallery, just click on it, right-click, and select Modify. You can change many characteristics in this dialog box. In this area, you can change the style, the size, you can make it bold, italic, underline, and you can also change the color. If you click on the Format button, there's many more options. Click on Font, and you have many more characteristics to choose from. Click on Paragraph, and you can change the spacing before and after the text. You can also change the line spacing, and many more options. Then click OK. You can also find the Modify Styles dialog box on any style in this dialog box. Just hover over the style, click the down arrow, and select Modify. You can also add this to the Style Gallery by clicking on this option. If you want to remove a style from the Style Gallery, select the style, right-click, and select Remove from Style Gallery. You can do this for each one you want to remove. You can also create a customized style. If I had some text that I needed to repeat often, such as text with bold, underline, and in the body text style, you can click on this down arrow and select Create a Style. Then you give your style a name and click OK. And now your customized style is in the Style Gallery. You can also click on the customized style in the gallery and start typing, and the style will be applied to the text you type at that point. I'm going to open another document. If you want to create a caption style or a heading style so that they appear in the cross-references dialog box, you can do this. Here I have some text that I will apply these styles to. Here's the first American flag, and I will apply a figure caption to this text. So I'll go to the References tab, and in the Captions group, select Insert Caption. The label is figure, and that's what I want, so I can click OK. Add a colon and a tab, and the caption is formatted. Here's also some text to which I'll apply some heading styles. Now I'll go into the Styles dialog box on the Home tab, and I'm going to select Heading 1. So for the Flag Act, I'm going to select Heading 2. When I click on the View tab and click on Draft, I can see that Heading 1 is applied to the first American flag here. The caption style is applied to the Figure 1 caption, and Heading 2 style is applied to the Flag Act. When I go to the Cross-References dialog box, and I click on Heading, I can see the Heading 1 and Heading 2 text in the For Which Heading field. And since I have a caption in here, I can go down to Figure, and my figure caption is in the For Which Caption field. I'm going to close the Styles dialog box by clicking on this X. And while we covered the basics of styles, there are many more options you can explore. For now, this is the end of this lesson, Styles.